Hi, I am Moy. I'm a professional athlete for the Northwest and co-founder of Vert.Run. We are the training app for the outdoor athlete, and we are transforming how people access the outdoor. Our first step is to own the trail running vertical, which is the fastest growing outdoor activity at the moment. And our early traction proves that we are on the right track to achieve it. Let me show you how. Meet Emily, one of the 3 million trail runners that joined our sport in the last year. And after watching a movie about a famous ultra runner, Lucy Bartholomew, Emily decides to run her first ultramarathon. Emily lives in New York, so she can't train in the mountains. In Vert, she finds the right training plan for her, designed in collaboration with the best athletes in the world. She actually finds a plan that it was designed by Lucy Bartholomew, the same athlete who inspired her journey. Then Emily tells us about herself and her next race. And with this information, our system automatically creates a personalized version of Lucy's plan for Emily. Like you, like me, Emily have a busy schedule. So she personalizes her training by moving workout. She can also add an easy week when she needs to. And she makes sure that her training is right on track by following her achieved workouts, energy level, and training volume. Every week, Emily chats with her Vert coach thanks to her in-app chat. So when she wonders what shoes to buy for her next race, for example, she gets personalized expert support. Emily shares and connects with a strong community of runners from over 100 countries, and she stayed engaged and motivated thanks to her in-app challenges and her curated content. With Vert, Emily gets a holistic, personalized support for her trail running lifestyle. And after 17 weeks of training, she did finish a race and became an ultra runner. Emily pays $25 a month for her Vert subscription. She's one for 820 active paying customers. 8 out of 10 free trial started become a Vert.Run customer, and our LTV to CAC is 8-to-1. Our MRR from December was $13,000, but we are ready to scale it up. We have the advantage of partnership-based growth. That's why we're multiplying our partnership with athletes, and we're also partnering with the biggest race series in the world. That is on top of our existing and more standard marketing actions. Vert is the only one that have unlocked at scale personalized training in the outdoor industry. But to bring it to a new level, we're starting to implement AI training in 2023. In our path to 100 million, we will expand from training subscription to affiliate revenue powered by personalized recommendations of gear, races, nutrition, and more. 12 million trail runners spend over $20 billion a year in the US alone. But this is only our beachhead market. Once we own the trail running vertical, we will expand to win other verticals like road running or hiking, for example. Our vertical focuses a strength and a proven path to success. Twitch first owned the gaming community before expanding and being acquired for almost $1 billion. Amazon first conquered books before conquering retail. We're a highly technical, skilled, and data-driven team, but we are also endurance athletes ourselves. We live the outdoor lifestyle to the fullest. Thank you, everybody. I'm looking forward to your questions.
All right, Moy, great job. Thank you. All right, Paige, how about you? Question for Moy.
Hi, Moy. Thanks so much for your presentation. I would love if you could dig more into your competitive differentiation between Strava, an app that I've seen do really well. You talked a bit about personalized at-scale coaching, but I would love to hear more about how you think about competing with them from a go-to-market perspective.
Thanks, Paige. Steve.
Hi there. I enjoyed your presentation. I actually ran an ultramarathon once. So where were you like 10 years ago? So I was definitely watching with close laser vision. But more to the point is thinking back to myself back then. Like, how do you actually deal with customer acquisition? Like, where do you find those? You said there's 8 million ultramarathon runners. How do you find them, and what's your acquisition cost, and what's your projected retention on that?
All right, terrific. Background to Amit.
One question is just curious, what's the longest race that you've run yourself? And then second question, as you think about the products to be sold on the platform, like which ones would be the most likely candidates for first products for the affiliate side?
All right, awesome questions. You have 2 minutes for those, Moy.
Thank you for the questions. They're great. So regarding to the competitive, mainstream sports and fitness apps are mostly focused on tracking rather than helping their users improve, right? We're changing that. Vert exists to help athletes of all kinds improve their physical and mental fitness through personalized guidance and real human support. And we do that at scale. So or customer feedback or usage or growth shows that we have built something that people love and that really works for them. And this is only the beginning. So this is one of the ways of how we like differentiate from Strava, for example. Go to market and how we acquire customers. We see partnerships as a great driver of growth. We partner with athletes, the best in the world, that help us validate the platform, create great content, and at the same time, the people who follow those athletes like join our community because they want to train like their heroes. And then we also partnered with races. We know that people pay for a training plan when they have a clear objective. That's why by going through races or race series, we make sure that we're in the checkout cart, for example, of a race sign-up process. So when they can just add, like a training plan to their next experience. About retention, we have a 69% retention by month 5, and this is thanks to the wow moment, which is the human connection that our customers create with their coaches and the simplicity of the platform. The fact that we have a human coach that is checking on a weekly basis to our customers allow us to provide this accountability that help them stick around. Then regarding to product sold, people come to Vert with different questions. The first one is like, how should I train for my next race? But the next question is like, hey, coach, what shoes should I buy? What backpack should I buy? And we know that trail runners spend around 3 times more than a road runner does in the sport. This is a fast growing sport and it have a huge lack of innovation, which we are solving. Thank you, everybody.